chutney with the egg rolls. A bunch of chopped coriander. Put in about half a cup of mint leaves for the chutney. Wow. A little bit of water. Lime. Nimbu. Half.
You it.
Okay. Half nimbu. Half a lime.
You chutney half.
Okay. So that's the chutney which is added to the egg rolls with the chicken.
Express line to hang out with the Fonzos. We didn't have much time. We put the chilies in the mortar, pounded them to the ground.
Okay, after about 3 or 4 minutes of cooking, add the tomatoes. Turmeric. Haldi. About half a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of coriander. After the turmeric, cook it up, and then we put the jeera, which is the 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1? Okay. Namak, salt. Okay. Salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. Okay, when the mix is really quite dry, you add the chicken. Turn the heat to high. After it reaches heat, cover. And let it cook through. And this has been cooking now for about 15, the chicken in it, maybe 10 minutes or so. So you can see there's a bit of liquid in there. It's got to come out. And now Shishma's going to add, what's that?
Mirchi.
Mirchi.
Mirchi powder.
Mirchi powder, okay. A bit of chili powder to that. Okay, mix them well. Turn up the heat. It's got to be cooked through until that liquid pretty much disappears.
Garam masala.
Garam masala, okay. How much?
Thoda.
Okay, just a few sprinkles of garam masala, which is added probably about, I don't know, towards the end. Okay, add fresh coriander when it's just about dry, almost done.
So much harder. A fire from a granite. Curry, so much harder.
A half kg of maida or flour to make the rolls, the rotis. Whoa. A little bit of oil. That's covered. Yep. And put aside to rest. Roll out the flour in little balls. About the size of a risol, I guess. Okay, it's on the skillet. Some oil. Roll that burrata. Medium heat. Flip it over. And just as it's cooked through, we add a little bit of egg. Just around the edge. So it covers the burrata. It's quite thick actually. See? Flip it. Let's cook through it. Let's cook through. We put it aside with all the others. So cook a whole bunch of them, and then we fill them later.
No matter what we get out of this, I know we'll never forget.
the green chutney, Medina, Tanya, just a little bit. The chicken. Some raw red onion. And roll. And back on the skillet. Here's the next one.
Soba? Yan, di ka ba? Yun eh. Ang lilis ko malatong. Sa kaya mo rin jode ko sa ni. Jode ko malatong. Hindi atate mo.
Because you're too busy focusing on all the wrong things. All right, pick it up and eat it. Pick it up and eat it. That's an egg roll.
I feel really bad now.
It's all right. I've been upstairs sorting out all the rooms, and there's a heap of stuff to go. But as long as you finish the rugby and the egg rolls, then that's all that matters, isn't it?
This is how.
Eat it.
Just eat it, Dad.
Put it.
This is how you eat an egg roll.
Put it in your mouth
You get
and
this
eat
chutney
it.
with chili and onion. You get a big blob of it.
There's chili in that?
You put
Stick
it
it
in
on
there,
your thing.
and then you go.
Open your mouth and you shove it in.
No. Dad?
Heaven.
Is that
There's
it?
chili in that? I never knew there was chili in that.
Is that it? Can I,
Yeah, here you go now.
Thanks.